A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural processes of the earth. Examples include floods, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, and other geological processes. A natural disaster can cause loss of life or property damage and typically leave some economic damage in its wake, the severity of which depends on the affected population's resilience or ability to recover. So the first example in avalanches. Large magnitude show avalanches play an important role ecologically in terms of wildlife habitat, vegetation diversity, and sediment transport within a watershed. Ecological effects from these infrequent avalanches can last for decades. January of 2009, a large magnitude avalanche cycle occurred in and around Glacier National Park, Montana. Woody debris is a major ground cover up to 3 meters in depth on lower portions of the avalanche path and will likely affect tree regrowth. Monitoring and measuring the post-avalanche vegetation recovery of this particular avalanche path provides a unique data set for determining the ecological role of avalanches in mountain landscapes. Second example, tsunamis. The tsunami in the Indian Ocean likely caused long-term ecological damage to the coastlines it struck. Fragile coral reefs are likely to have suffered significant damage and could take years to recover, as they only grow about half a centimeter a year. Diving resorts in the Maldives, renowned for their rich marine life, were destroyed completely. Larger marine species such as whales and dolphins are unlikely to have been badly affected by the tsunami, as they will have headed towards deeper water where the tsunami measured only about 18 centimeters in height. Third example, volcanoes. After this one volcano eruption, a few burrowing animals survived in zones of complete devastation. Volcanic ash is sterile and lifeless, but in parts of the blast area, pocket gophers came up through the ash, and because other habits succeeded in mixing the soil with the ash layer and with seeds and parts of the plants. So in these areas with less than, say, 25 centimeters of ash, gophers were really important to the recovery. The gophers mixed up essential fungi to help plant roots to absorb soil nutrients. In the end, natural disasters are key factors that constantly influence life in different ways, whether it be population, the distribution, or the long-term lasting effects on the environment.